Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to share with you all 5 Father's Day projects that I think are pretty dope. Now, anytime I give a gift, I like for it to be unique, something that I can personalize, as well as something that's practical for the recipient. But sometimes my mind just goes blank. So I need to look around to get my creative juices going. So whether or not you are a beginner, whether or not you're using sublimation or HTV, there's a little bit of something in this video for everybody. So let me go ahead and show you what I was thinking about doing. All right guys, I want to start with one of my favorite projects like ever. It is a personalized leather wallet. All you need is a leather wallet in HTV, and you actually have a gift that practically anybody will love. I know our theme right now is Father's Day, but I just think this is dope because it's super simple, but it makes a really huge impact. And I actually did this project for my husband for his birthday last year, and it turned out great. So I just got the wallet from Amazon. It is real leather. You can see the wear and tear on it, but most importantly, I was able to put his initials on here. And you see a little bit of texture. The Teflon sheet I used to cover it had some texture on there, but I like it, and he absolutely loved it. So I totally think that this is something you all should try. All right, this one I pulled out because it is made out of paper. It is like a beginner's project, but it also can make a huge statement. So just imagine this. You go ahead and you create this paper baseball cap. You can decorate it or use the colors of your dad's favorite team or whatever man in your life that you're giving this to. You could put his favorite treat on the inside of the box, or how about a pair of tickets to his favorite sporting events. Again, it's a very simple project, but I feel like it can make a really big impression on the recipient. I'm just saying. All right, guys, so this is actually a etched mug. So all you need is glass and Armour etch for this, and vinyl to put your stencil on. This mug is one of my projects. I actually made this for my dad. I put his name on there, and on the back it has a saying on there that's a kind of like indicative of our relationship, because we kind of got to know each other when I got older. But my thing is, it's not about what happened yesterday. It's about going forth and making new memories for tomorrow. So I really appreciated making this gift for him, because it meant that I had come to a certain place in my life, and he actually loved it when he received it. He was like, wow, you did this, you made this? And I was like, yeah, your girl over here got some skills. So it was an inexpensive gift, but except it was very important to me to give to him, and it came from a place of love, and he received and felt everything that I put into this gift. So I think this would be an awesome gift to give, you know, to the person in your life who is dad, whether or not that's blood, or he chose to be dad. It's still, this is something that you can really make personal and special. All right, so this is a personalized hammer. Now you could be like, a hammer? But I really like the saying on here. It said, Dad, thanks for helping me build my life. So the thing about this is it's just a simple hammer, and you put permanent vinyl on there. But the thing is, it's about the message. And to me, that's what gift giving and kind of like holidays are about. It's about being with that person you love, you care about, or you showing appreciation for that person you love and care about. This is something that kiddos can help with, because of course with that etching thing, you don't want them anywhere near there, especially depending upon their age. But one thing about me is I don't like to give cards, because you give the sentiment, the person opens it, they read it, and perhaps it ends up in the drawer someplace, or either it's on a mantle, but it's a bunch of things on the mantle as far as cards, and the person doesn't really get to enjoy it, say, every day. But for the dad who is a fixer, and he is always around the house fixing something, or it's his profession, he can look at this hammer and know that, you know, I'm loved, and my family took the time to do this for me, and it will resonate with him. So like I said, it's a simple gift, but I think this is another one that can make a really huge impact. All right guys, last but not least, this is a gift that I think the dad who likes to accessorize would appreciate. So this is me here again, and I made a sublimated iPhone case as well as a watch band for an Apple Watch. So this was actually for my daughter, and she picked out the design and everything. But of course the theme today is Father's Day, and my point in showing you all this is you could pretty much take something as simple as a case and a watch and flip it and make it great for the recipient, the person that you're going to give it to. So say for instance you had a special saying on there, you could just say, hey, his name, like we'll use my dad's name and just put Chuck there. And my dad is like he's a trucker, so I could put Chuck there and the symbol of a truck, and now he has a personalized case for his phone, and then the same design or even logo could go on the watch. So at the end of the day, guys, it doesn't matter what you guys decide to do when it comes to personalizing gifts. It's about the love, the effort, and the thought that you put into it. So yeah, guys, this is all I have for you today. Questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. But until next time, peace.